video directions for the second Excel spreadsheet assignment. Some of you have already finished assignment number 1, which is great. Assignment number 2, you can see it here, Excel spreadsheet assignment number 2. You are going to conduct a survey, and then you are going to use that data to build a spreadsheet and create a chart. This is very similar to what we did with assignment number 1, where you built a spreadsheet, entered data, and then use that data to create a automated chart. Go back to the assignments here. What you are going to do for this assignment is you're going to grab the paper handout copy from me and come up with a survey. What this document looks like is pretty straightforward here. You are going to write a survey question. Favorite candy, favorite ice cream, favorite type of coffee, favorite pizza, whatever. You can do whatever you want, provided that it's school appropriate. And you're going to come up with a list of 10 responses that students have to choose from. So you're going to have a survey question, 10 possible responses, and then you are going to go and conduct a survey. You're going to get 50 people to respond. Classmates, other students, coaches, teachers, parents, doesn't matter, 50 people. Write a survey question, you write that here. Write your responses on these lines. And then you're going to use this paper to more or less tally the number of responses that people pick when you ask them the question. Your next task then is to create a spreadsheet in which you tabulate this data, so you have data to create a chart with, right? Again, very similar to the first assignment, but I'm not going to show you how to do this, right? We're going to put this experience to work here. So you're going to have to figure out in Excel spreadsheet where you list your responses, where you list the number of people that chose that response, and then you're going to use that creation, or use that data entry to create a chart. Your chart, when you're all done, needs to have a title. It needs to have a legend where we know what the responses are, and then you need to have a table down at the bottom of your chart. Again, quite similar to what we did with the first assignment. If I'm not mistaken, this assignment is due on May 16th. So if you're looking at it this week, you've got more or less a week to do it. And if you're working on the first assignment next week, then we got to make sure this is done by Friday. All right, those are the directions. Get to it. Let me know if you have any questions. Until then, go Spartans.